has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 10:45 p.m. At 10:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hobart, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Hobart, Crown Point, Chesterton, Hebron, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Winfield, New Chicago, Counts, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Wheeler, Boone Grove, and Malden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. This is NOAA Weather Radio.